Hello everybody. In this video I am going to show you how to install, update and also uninstall modules in AndBible. And I'm primarily using this module manager that we have. So let's get started. So uh, if you want to install modules, you go to main menu and then download documents. And from there you can see, first of all, if you see arrows like this, it means that these modules have update available. So let me update now first of all my KJV module to the latest version. So it is working like this. AndBible is downloading the modules and now it is updated. So all installed modules are having this marker here, and then when we go down we will find some modules that are not installed. So let's see, for example, this American Standard version. I'm installing now American Standard version, which I didn't have previously. Then I go back and now the module is installed. I can see it from here. So how did I get there? Because we can choose document always from here, and American Standard version is here, but also a quick way to do it is if you long tap from here. So long tap here and you will get immediately to the document selector. Also, you can choose this document from Bible menu. So you can see, okay, ASV is already selected. So like this. Okay, how do I then remove a module that I don't anymore need? So I go back to choose document or download documents, and then I will find the module that I don't want to have. I long tap it and then press trash can button. Then I will answer yes and the module is uninstalled. And I go back now, it is saying that okay, this document is not available, please download. And always, if you want, you can click the link and you will get into download documents back, and there are already, this ASV is looked like this. There is this search field is filled with ASV and it is finding all these options for you. So like this is all that I wanted to show you. Primarily I can show quickly also how you can install from a file, like if you have a zip file or like module backup or zip file containing a Sword module or My Bible module, which is this SQLite 3 extension, and then also My Sword Bible, which is with My Bible extension, and then also ebook files. So if you want to install any of those files, you can go to download documents, and from this 3-button menu press load documents from files. Then, like as I was saying, these are the file formats that you can now choose. And if you proceed, so you can choose a zip file containing Sword module. For example, I have here one, and I will choose that, and AndBible is then installing the module like it was earlier shown from this download documents. That is all for this video. As always, I will put a link in the description how you can support AndBible development financially. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.